It's really important that you spend some time thinking of the design of a closet so that it really can utilize every single bit of the space. Like we have this little alcove area that's part of the closet. We're going to make sure that that's being utilized properly. Now we had a little bit of help on the design for this closet. We used Closet Made's online design service, and they designed a great layout which is being installed for us by the Home Depot Home Services. Now, this is a great way to maximize a closet space because you can take advantage of a professional design service for a fraction of what you might pay otherwise. These guys really know their stuff, and all the closet components go together so quickly. What a relief not to have to worry about this important space. Well, it's not an empty space anymore, and it only took the guys less than a day to complete all of the cabinetry in this closet. Now, the design of the cabinets are pretty cool. I like the adjustable shelves so that if the homeowners move in and need to tweak something a little bit, they won't even have to break out a screwdriver with the way this is designed. The glass doors are great, and even glass in the front of some of the drawers. Just think of how convenient that would be to be able to see what you have in the different drawers. Now, if you're designing a closet yourself, you need to think about just how much space you need to allot for some of the longer clothes you have, like dresses or long coats. Here we have about a 30-inch rod that's allotted for that. Then over here we have two different sets of double rods, with the lower rod being about 3.5 feet off the floor and the upper rod around 7 feet. So this will be real convenient for just regular clothes to hang up.